Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about how can we create drawings inside AutoCAD. So let's get right into it. For example, I just want to draw a rectangle like this. O for offset, defining distance 9. Oh, 9 is too much. Z enter, E enter. O for offset, defining 1. Okay. L for line. F8 to make your line free. Connect it somewhere here like this. Z enter, E enter. And now let me draw a circle over here like this. Now let me just do one thing. POL for polygon, define number of 6, and let me just draw it inscribed somewhere here like this and like this, right? Now Z enter, E enter. Now if you just want to make drawing for this, what you can do, you can actually make use of 3 commands. Let me show you first. DAL, double enter and click on this. See, before going to that, press D, modify text. This is 2 symbols and arrows, defining it 2, and I will hit OK, close. DAL, double enter, and now you can see this is of 6.245, 6 units. Now if you know what the units are, it's in decimal in inches, right? Again, DAL, double enter, defining this distance. It is this one. Sorry. And go for the dimensions and modify, defining the text height of a bit smaller for now, 0.5 I think, and this must be 1, and I will close it. DAN, double enter, DAL, double enter. Now the diameter is this much, this length becomes this much, this length becomes this much, this length becomes this much. Now if you want to define distance in between two specific points, for that you have to enter DLI, dimension linear. Suppose you want to define the distance in between this and this point, press F8. Now DLI, and I think for polygon the diagonal length is equal to this length, so that's why it doesn't take it anymore. DLI, starting from somewhere here like this, you can define this length, yes, right? So Z enter, E enter. If you want to go for the dimension angular, DAN, enter, define this and this. You can define this angle, right? Moreover, again, if you want to define this in this angle, this is 135. Z enter, E enter, right? Again, if you want to do one thing, like suppose you just want to draw from your own side, press F8 like this, F8 to free your line. Now F8, make it orthogonal like this, this, press F8 to free your line and close the sketch. Now Z enter, E enter. See, now what you can do, again you can define DAL, double enter. If you want to define the whole length, double click to get into that. Right, Once you define this, I think DAN, enter, and you can define this angle. Again BAN, enter, this length, and DAN, enter, uh, this length, this angle, right? So I think this angle is 120 multiplied by 6. So you can define it again. I think this is really important tutorial to create the 2D drawings, dimensions, and that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to this channel to be a part of the conversation. Thanks for watching.